psychological safety, I guess the core of it is that people feel safe to speak up and speak out, that they feel they can put their hand up and ask for help. They feel that there is mutual trust and respect within the team, and they feel like they matter. So we know that when people have high levels of psychological safety, there's a direct correlation with performance. And there's a lot of evidence. As you said, Google has looked at that in a sales context, but you can look at it in many different contexts. And we know that psychological safety, one of the things that people don't understand about it is that it's a lead indicator. So we tend to focus on lag indicators. So we look at, in a sales setting, we'd be looking at revenue and, what KPIs we have around that. But we actually know that psychological safety is what drives people's behaviour within the workplace and the extent to which they feel safe or not safe.